Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. Let's bowl off with some cricket news. Despite a 110-run fifth-wicket partnership between Casey Carty and Ruston Chase, Australia still romped to an 8-wicket win in Melbourne to take a 1-0 lead in their 3-match series over the West Indies. The region's wait for a bilateral match win against the Aussies continues.
A second ball boundary to start the innings from Alec Athanaze created optimism for the West Indies in their opening clash against Australia after they were inserted on a drop-in pitch at the MCG. It was not the same for Justin Greaves, who after surviving 2 deliveries from debutant Xavier Bartlett, the third was a jaffer. Off-pole knocked back for 1 at 6 for 1. It was 17 for 2 when Athanaze perished to Bartlett, who was on a roll as he snapped up the big wicket of Captain Shea Hope, who ignored the situation at 37 for 3. Kavem Hodge was in a rush at 59 for 4 inside 16 overs, and posting a competitive total looked a mere dream. Casey Carty, who looked the most comfortable against the pace and movement, and along with Ruston Chase, set about a rescue mission. The pair, especially Carty, found the boundary at will and brought up consecutive 50s in the format. He stroked 6 fours and 2 sweetly timed 6s. Chase grafted his way to a 4th ODI 50, but misjudged Adam Zampa for 59 after his 7 boundaries. 169 for 5 turned 193 for 6 when an outrageous call from Hayden Walsh Jr. hung Carty out to dry. Carty ran out for 88, falling short of a maiden ODI century. Bartlett then mopped up the innings to finish with 4 for 17, along with 2 wickets apiece for Sean Abbott and Cameron Green. The Caribbean side bowled out for 231 with 8 balls unfaced. Travis Head lasted more than a ball this innings, but it was for only 5 this time, as he was nicked off by Matthew Ford at 4 for 1. Belief ignited, but that was extinguished by a powerful second wicket stand between Josh Inglis, who contracted COVID prior to the start of play, and Cameron Green. Inglis slammed 10 fours and a 6 in his 65 from 43 balls and tore away any form of potency from the attack. Gudakesh Moti got some luck at 83 for 2 to dismiss the right-hander, but Green continued on his merry way with 77, and along with a runner ball 79 from standing captain Steve Smith, ushered the hosts to victory. The world champions marched to 232 for 2 with 69 balls to spare against a pedestrian attack.
I didn't think we showed as much intent as we needed to at the beginning of the innings. I think that would obviously put their bowlers, or at least change their mindset in terms of where they need to bowl at us. We probably need to show a bit more intent and just be up for the fight, man. We're playing in their backyard, they're not going to just roll over and allow us to score freely and win games. So we need to find a way to put them under pressure and then score some big totals.
The second match of the series takes place on Saturday night in Sydney. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.